those who may have done anything that has lowered the dignity of any of the events we have had. I take responsibility as somebody from this area. I apologize to the family. I apologize to the people of Olkalau. I apologize to the friends of David Kiarao, and also for those who don't come from the Mount Kenya region. I want to apologize and say this is not our culture, and we take responsibility and say sorry for what happened 2 days ago. Ando aito negwo kana tego. Negwo kana tego. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba ile sehemu imebaki sasa, tumefika mwisho, tuende pale, familia iende pale, ipumzishe mpendwa wao. Wale ambao wako na agenda zingine na maneno mengine, mko na siku mingi ya kufanya. And I hope we will not have a repeat of what happened on Wednesday anywhere in this region and anywhere in Kenya. Sijui kama tumekubaliana.